Using AutoDS for eBay dropshipping simplifies the process of managing your online store and streamlines product sourcing. Here's how to effectively use AutoDS for your eBay dropshipping business. Create an AutoDS account. Sign up for an AutoDS account and select a suitable plan that fits your dropshipping needs. Connect your eBay store. Integrate your eBay account with AutoDS. Go to the settings and follow the prompts to authorize access to your eBay store. Product research. Use AutoDS's product research tools to find trending and profitable products from various suppliers like Amazon, Walmart, or AliExpress. Import products. Once you find suitable products, import them directly to your eBay store. Customize the product title, description, and pricing to make them appealing to your audience. Set up automation. Enable AutoDS's automation features for pricing and stock updates. This ensures your listings are always accurate, helping prevent overselling. Manage orders. When you receive an order on eBay, AutoDS will notify you. You can fulfill the order directly through the platform, which simplifies the shipping process. Analyze performance. Utilize AutoDS's analytics to monitor sales and optimize your product offerings based on performance data.